Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and disconnect the battery. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bars up on the two USB board ZIF connectors and disconnect the USB board ribbon cables from the system board. Remove the two USB board ribbon cables from the adhesive that secures them to the top cover. Remove the four 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the top cover. Open the left display panel hinge. Remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the USB board bracket to the USB board. Lift the USB board bracket off of the alignment pins on the USB board and remove. Lift the left edge of the USB board off of the alignment pins and remove the external connectors from the cutouts in the top cover. Place the USB board in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the USB board from the static dissipative bag. Tow the external connectors on the USB board into the cutouts in the top cover and lower the USB board onto the alignment pins. Place the USB board bracket onto the alignment pins on the USB board. Replace the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the USB board bracket to the USB board. Close the left display panel hinge. Replace the four 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the top cover. Insert the two USB board ribbon cables into the USB board ZIF connectors on the system board and press the locking bars down to lock the cables into place. Apply pressure to the length of the USB board ribbon cables to adhere them to the top cover.